Not every cash advance app charges a monthly membership fee. Several popular options let eligible users request advances without paying an ongoing subscription, although other costs, such as optional instant transfer fees or voluntary tips, may still apply. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 cash advance apps that don't require a monthly membership and what to look for before choosing one. Starting at number 5 is YamaMoney, Instacash. Eligible users can access cash advances after connecting a supported bank account. MoneyLion does not require a monthly membership specifically to use Instacash, but optional financial products are available. If you need funds quickly, check whether an expedited transfer fee applies before confirming your request. Number 4 is Clio. Clio offers eligible cash advances through its app without requiring every user to maintain a monthly membership for basic access. The app analyzes your linked bank account to determine eligibility, and faster funding options may involve additional charges. At number 3 is Earnin. Earnin lets eligible users access a portion of their earned wages before payday. Instead of charging a mandatory monthly membership, the service operates with optional tips. Your eligibility depends on factors such as your employment and banking information, so connecting accurate account details is important. The number 2 spot goes to Dave. Dave is widely known for helping users cover short-term cash shortages. While the app has offered subscription-based services, eligible extra cash advances are also available without requiring a traditional monthly membership, solely to request an advance. Review the current pricing and transfer options before borrowing, so you understand any optional fees. Taking the number 1 position is Empower. Eligible users can request cash advances after securely linking their bank account and meeting the app's requirements. Empower focuses on banking activity rather than paper documents, and you should always review the current terms to understand any costs related to instant funding or optional services. Here's the biggest takeaway. No monthly membership does not always mean completely free. Cash advance apps may still charge optional instant delivery fees, rely on voluntary tips, or offer paid premium features alongside their basic advance service. Before choosing any app, compare the repayment schedule, funding speed, eligibility requirements, and optional fees instead of focusing on just one feature. That helps you find the app that fits your situation without paying for services you don't need. If this comparison helped you narrow down your options, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other guides covering the best cash advance apps and short-term money tools available in 2026.